Hey, Bub, they're starting my helicopter over there.
I told you we should have went over there before lunch.
I know.
We should have got in there while we had a chance.
You guys see way over there, they got a helicopter they're cutting the trees with. Perfect timing for our video. We gotta hurry up. All right, welcome back to CNC Equipment's YouTube channel. We got a little update, walk around, seeing what current inventory is. You guys know we kind of schedule our videos out a month or two ahead of time. It's just simpler and less stressful for me and all that stuff. So I always try to give you guys a little bonus video on some Sundays here and what we got going on. I do know that my chopper just left the parking lot over here.
Sure.
It's pretty epic. So if you don't know, they've been using a helicopter to chop the trees on the power lines, but he just picked up and left here. We'll give you a little clip of that. Alright, so that big red fire truck is not mine. We're supposed to work on it for some guy. We've just not got time yet. It's actually a Turkish truck, but got a Komatsu. I believe Jay may have that sold. Bought that down in Florida. Pretty clean old D6D. 700J, I believe, still available. I know me and Mr. Kevin's got to take a winch off his 700K here in a little bit. It's good times. We've been taking a lot of attachments off. Plenty of videos coming on this thing, isn't there? There's like 5 more videos coming on this tractor here. And I believe we have somebody coming to look at it today, so lots of good content coming on that. 700L, that's pretty new for us. It's for sale. 550, I believe Jay may have sold. 313, been using it. Got 2 of those for sale actually, so everybody needs the 313. We did drop the prices on those a little bit. I've got 3 35Gs here. One of them is maybe not here. It might be somewhere else, like at my house.
That's weird.
So, you guys don't know, Hitachi makes John Deere excavators. At least they still are right now. I know they kind of split up, but if you guys start looking around, you'll notice this Hitachi 35 is pretty much identical, other than this one has a cab. That's because they are the same. So, good little machines. I've got one at the house. So, we got a 200 or 210. This thing sold. We got to put a thumb on it, I believe. I think the case just sold yesterday, so we're gonna be empty for too long.
We can put El Caminos in there.
El Caminos. Did I see you drove the El Camino today?
El Camino Ranch.
We'll take a look at it. I've got 2 of these little rollers. I might have one at my house on a project right now.
Because I only see one.
Huh. We are forklift poor. We got 3 brand new Toyotas. Got 1 little Healy. We may have put a Healy in service here at CNC Equipment. May or may not have. I'm not sure. We may have updated. We got a New Holland. We took that in on trade. Or trade. I guess I bought a kind of a state sale. Along with the monster truck. All the good stuff's out back.
That's right.
331G. Not sure where that one come from. Can you guess? Kevin hates that color. 325G has very low hours on it. We still got this thing yet too. This big old 8x8.
Nobody wants to have fun, do they?
No, but somebody will figure it out.
Yep.
We need to bring that little air compressor out here and air that up.
Yeah.
So, little 304 got a ham roller. Drag line's still sitting here. I've not touched it. We've been so freaking busy. One day I gotta get that thing together and put the bucket on it and all that good stuff. So warehouse is packed full of Jeep parts as usual. I guess I'm in the trailer business too now.
You are.
So got a little 14,000 pound trailer. These are all for sale on our website. I'll try to link that down below. Pretty nice later model 14,000 pound trailer. A couple Unimogs. I believe one of them is gone. Still got one. Looks like we got a truck rolling in. Got a couple 20,000 pound tag trailers here. This interstate's pretty nice. I bought it out in Pennsylvania. We got another older dyno well. It's like a 2000 model. And got some HETs left too, so always plenty of those. And attachments for days. We got plenty of attachments. You guys need something. Even got some hoe rams for skid steers. Over here we got bush hogs up in the upper lot. All right, we had a company reach out to us called Fantic, I believe is how it's pronounced. They sent us an air compressor to try out. It does multiple things, right? Gives you power. I hear a bald eagle.
I hear 3-in-1.
3-in-1 thing. So it's got power outlets on here to charge up your phones, all that good stuff. You guys see there, we got 5 volts, 3 volts, 65 watts. I don't know, all kinds of cool stuff. Also has a flashlight on here. Did you turn it on?
No, I haven't.
I know somebody's been driving his brother's Bronco and it looks like it has a low tire.
This is the stuff. Yeah.
You're just breaking all the vehicles. So Hunter's Bronco has 37-inch tall tires. These things are what, 13.5 inches wide? Yep.
For sure.
So we've actually used this thing a couple times on a couple of those Unimogs. Jay aired up 2 Unimog tires, which are 41 inches tall, with this thing on 1 battery charge from plumb flat dead zero. So
Things we do without Hunter.
we're gonna see what she does here.
Sorry, Hunter.
What's it say?
So
It says we're at
35
3.5.
pounds. Yeah, 3.5 pounds in. It's preset 35.
That's
so
our target.
Just let her go there. I think it's that button over there.
What's it say on
Is it? No, that says 42.
Oh,
65, 75.
I think this thing goes to 150 pounds.
Let's go 35.
There she goes.
Head pump.
So it is 2:58 and 15 seconds. All right, just clicked over 105. There was just a few minutes. Aired her up.
How much air do you put in it?
Aired it up 35 pounds. So that's a big old tire. It's like semi-monster truck tire. And we still got plenty of battery left. So been doing good so far. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below to their Amazon store. And they actually have a carrying bag that goes with it too. You can buy that separately, but they're offering a 28% discount with this discount code. I'll leave it down here below in the bottom of the screen. You guys can go check that out. If you're interested in one of those, go check them out on Amazon. So you gotta quit driving your brother's Bronco,
I've drove
flatten his tires.
2 days.
I've had this freaking Mack Superliner for how many years now? Like 3 or 4?
Couple.
I just run out of time. I'm gonna put this thing, it does run. It's got the Mack V8 in it, the E9. It's been used as an off-road water truck for a while, so it's not a perfect truck. It's not really rusty, but it's more, I bought it more for the motor, but I got a person interested in this, but if not, it may be for sale. But I think it's an 84. It's got the old E9 V8 Mack motor in it, so come from Texas. I think it's got a 9-speed in it, maybe. But I want to ask 12.5 out of this thing. So, and we got plenty of Jeep bodies. Got overflow over here. I see an extra D7. It must have showed up last night.
Yeah, it did.
I didn't even know it was here. All right, now we're back here where all the good stuff lies.
Okay.
I don't know how many comments and questions we've had on this snowmobile that Hunter gave up on.
Hunter.
He used to put it inside, so if you guys don't know, that was one of our bigger videos too.
Yeah.
We bought the snowmobile, or he did.
Yeah.
We spent some money on it, or he did, I should say. And it still does not run. It's got fire, but it's not running. It's got compression. Still sitting there, so I don't know what he's doing with it.
He's just got a little discouraged, that's all.
Yeah.
He's ready for round 2.
It's probably going to be, yeah, one day it's going to get pulled back in, and I think it's a stator or something like that. I don't know. Well, what do we got over here? What is this?
Woohoo!
Got some new tires on it?
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know if anybody's told you, but that blue pressure washer's off.
Yeah, well, I don't have a pressure washer, so.
Look at Randy over there.
Yeah, he'll be ready for me here soon.
That will stain if you don't take that off. I will say you classed it up a little bit.
Yeah, look at it.
You got
He's
it
ready.
sitting like a drag car here.
Yeah, well, that's to shed water.
So, how's she running?
Oh, like
This is the first day you drove it to work, or what?
It's
had it
been
for a
little
couple
bit.
months?
Yeah.
Ever since we got that snowmobile, so.
The electrical nightmares scare me.
Oh, it was bad.
Yeah.
But you know what? It just keeps getting better.
That's right.
This is where all the junk Chevrolets lie, back here in the back row.
No, but this is where it gets classy.
So remember I told you I bought a skid steer up front, excavator, and went to go buy those and somehow ended up with this monster truck. So we've got a video coming out on this thing as soon as we get time. Somebody got a little excited one night and may have done the old rollover, I guess. So I got another TD20. I actually bought another TD25. It should be in here any day too, so probably be some more videos on one of those. Got a very clean, rust-free crew cab, square body cab. Not sure what we're doing with that. Man, it's just, it's sad back here, all these junk Chevys. This is all part of the package deal with the monster truck. We bought that for the hood, basically. Got that down in Florida at the auction. We'll probably do a will it start, see if that thing runs and works. I don't know, it's pretty rough. No plow trucks over here looking happy. It's keeping the Chevys in line.
Somebody painted that nice.
Oh, I thought you painted that.
No.
Oh, you sure it's not your paint job? If you guys want to see a video on this thing, comment down below in the descriptions.
We can get her running.
It's not the, I've got an idea for it since it has no roll cage. You guys drop comments below what we should do.
Turn it into a Chevy Dozer.
No,
Yeah.
You're close, but
Yeah.
you're close. Still got a bunch of HETs. I think I got like 5 left. Bought a bunch of those last summer.
Yeah.
We've not got any of these. They're all never been started or anything, so we've got to get going through those. Got a D7F. We did a video on that D7F, didn't we?
Yeah.
That'll be coming out probably in about a month.
Get
Got-
real trashy back there.
No, that's where all the good Fords lie. I gotta keep those hidden so nobody steals them. See, these are all for free out here. Anybody can steal those. Well, yeah, we do have a couple D7Fs coming up for sale. Just got this one in. This one's might not even need.
Hey, I like the guy that
Looky
hauled
here.
this in.
Remember when we did Let's Dig?
Yeah.
I told you they break out here. Oh, somebody's patch display too. If you guys watched your videos, we did that one for Let's Dig. Tucker welded up a couple patches, but it must be a weak spot on those things. So
Look, he's got a door too.
yeah, if Chris watches any of these videos, he's gonna want all this stuff. So
This delivery driver just straight up jumped on it and unloaded it for
Did
us
he?
too. Yeah, it was nice. It was right at the end of the day.
not too bad looking. Got a big ripper, so we got a winch and a ripper tractor. And all the good stuff back here. I'll go inside and see what's happening. Mr. Randy's such a good washer. He's washed off about 50 years worth of paint. We got the old Army number. USA Army off the hood of that old D7. She is a 1971 model. She's been around a couple days. Maybe somebody knows what that means. Pretty sure that's a serial number, maybe. Registration number. On the hood, it's usually painted where it was from. It's hard to read, the tan places, where it was at last. Bud? It's dirty in there.
Yeah.
It's like you
Must
do.
be the body shop.
A little 450G that Mr. Kevin just painted. It's going to be coming up for sale. I actually bought this down in Florida. You guys watched any of my videos, you know that doesn't look the same. Put new undercarriage under it. And that big 350G excavator that Randy's washing out there, we did a video on that thing. It's going to be coming out soon. Fixed all the bucket, line board it, pin and bushing work and all that good stuff. All right, we got an undercarriage video coming too. The guy sent this up here to do a full undercarriage change on. That's going to be coming in a month or so. And what else? Shop's kind of empty. Well, we're getting ready to drag some more projects in.
That's right.
And don't forget, we're getting ready to give this toolbox away here. There'll be a video pop out probably in another month or so of a full review on Harbor Freight tools. We've used them for almost a year now, so we're going to be giving this away in June. Where somebody's honking. In June, we're going to give this whole thing away to some lucky viewer. If you're across the pond or something like that, we're going to have a cash option for you. So if you want to go that route, if you do, we'll keep the box and maybe use it somewhere else. So I've got a place we might go stick it at. Who knows?
My house?
Your house? But yeah, stay tuned for a review, a review video. You can't win it. Now, if somebody wants to win it and give it to you, we could do that. So, well, yeah. Anyway, a little quick video update what's going on here at CNC Equipment. We got something very exciting coming very soon too. So you may see, well, not that, something pretty big for the channel and for the company as a whole. So you guys are definitely have to stay tuned for that.
El Camino.
No, not that. If you guys might know what that is, drop it in the comments below. But it's gonna be epic for sure. So I'm I don't know how I feel about it.
I'm going to Hollywood on American Idol.
Are you?
That's what it is.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
Anyway, guys, we appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you next time. Hope you enjoyed this little video.